Okay, so for this question, they give you very key information. PQ is parallel to PS. Okay, this is really the basis of a lot of things that we're going to do. So they said show, the keyword is show here. It's slightly different, giving reasons that this angle C is 64 degrees. Okay, so let's recall certain concepts to do with parallel lines. What's one? Alternate angles. Okay, if I draw like this, which two are alternate? This one and the so-called Z that we remember. Okay, so we call this alternate angles. How about another one? Okay, corresponding first, which is actually this one and this one over here. We call this corresponding angles. Okay, then which one is the interior angles that John just said? It's actually these two. It's a combination of these two actually, the earlier ones. So it's actually this one. But they are not equal like the other two. So this angle A and B, how are they related actually? Yes, this one is not the same, but they add up to 180. Okay, so we're going to slowly make our way to the angle C here, starting with what we know already lah. Okay, so which one should we start with first? You say J? F. So what is angle F now? How you get 64? 180 minus 116. Actually, this one over here, 180 minus 116 to get F, right? What is the reason for it?
Angles on a straight line.
Very good. Actually, it's called angles on a straight line, or what I would like to call supplementary angles. Okay, angles on a straight line. So first one, 64. Then after that, so if this is 64, then what will I say next? D equals to F.
116.
Alright, so actually now F and C are related by alternate angles. Okay, so therefore we just say that angle C is equals to angle F. Okay, my handwriting not so nice because I'm standing up and doing is equals to 64 degrees because of alternate angles. And that's it. This is a how many mark question? 2 mark question. So just about right, 2 lines for 2 marks. Alright, so for this question, the key thing is that if they didn't say anything on a diagram, but due to this one word here, or this one thing here, then a lot of things fall into place. So I highlighted the word parallelogram, because the property of parallelogram is that the opposite sides are all parallel to each other. Okay? And with that parallel thing, property, a lot of things come into place again. So just now, like what actually John said, do you notice that these two fall under one of the properties we talked about, which was interior angles. Okay, just now we already said the angle, okay, not angle, but rather this x and y, we call them angle x plus angle y, technically is supposed to give you 180 degrees because they are interior angles. Okay, you do not need to write this out in the exam, I'm just showing you. They are related, adding up, so basically 3y plus 2y must give me the 180. Okay, so like in a lot of maths, as I was saying, a lot of maths involves you using a property or concept to form an equation like this. Okay, so we formed it, now it's simply actually solving that equation. So adding up 5y is 180, so clearly y must be divided by 5, right, which is 30?
36.
Okay, that's it. Alright, so for this question, calculate A, this angle over here, and give a reason for your answer. So actually, naturally, right, my advice to you whenever you see angles question, right, is actually without thinking, start filling in angles that you already know. Just don't care what they ask you, you really can start filling in some angles, right? For example, this angle over here, what is it?
Which angle?
Oh, this one.
56.
180 minus 124, right? Which is supplementary angles to give you 56 degrees. So with that, can I naturally find angle A already? See, without even looking actually, you already can know how to find it. So angle A is basically, how should I write it out? 180 minus 56 minus 82, which will be 42, is it? Okay, so Angle A is 42 degrees because of the sum of angles in a triangle. Okay? Then next find B, which is the one over here. What's the magical thing that we can see here? Yes, or rather, you have the parallel lines first. Okay, and hence angle B and this angle, like the Z that some of you talk about, basically gives you the property of alternate angles. So angle B is simply 82 degrees again because of alternate angles.